So hello defense aspirant, welcome back to this channel. Today we are back with a video. I hope you all are doing well in your life and doing your preparation to the fullest in order to get selected. Today the topic is that 5 important things to know about yourself before going for SSB, that is Service Selection Board. There are 5 important things that you should know about yourself. Although SSB is a personality assessment, but after all, some of the things are in our hand, so be prepared with that. So, starting from the very first, we have get to know about your hobbies because it plays a very important role. You have to fill the PIQ form, your hobbies. You should make a list of your interests that are also very much important because interviewing officer may ask you that what are your interests and what are your hobbies. After that, sometimes ground task officer also ask you about these topics. And remember my friend, hobbies and interest are totally different terms. Please do not mix it up, and please know about your likes and dislikes, what you like in your life, what you dislike. You should know each and everything with a crystal clear. Okay, so talking about the next thing, that is you should have the clear information about your schooling, graduation, marks secured, your outstanding achievements and participation. I'm telling you the clear information because he may ask you about your school life, and if you have mentioned something, so he may ask you a question about it, and you have a clear information to tell him about it. That your graduation, you should know about it, your marks secured, what marks you have secured. Please do not use the word approximation for a mark secured. Your achievements, that may also matters. Whenever he reads your PIK form and he got to see some outstanding achievement, then he may ask you that how you participated, how you prepared, and these kind of a thing. The moment in your life when you were the most proud, he may ask you the most embarrassed moment also. He may definitely ask you because out of 5 interviews, in 4 interviews, interviewing officer asks about the friend circle and why they are your best friends. So you have the reason about it. That's why I'm telling you before SSB you should be able to find out this answer. Introspect yourself. Why these are my best friend? What qualities they have? Are they matching my brain strata? Are they matching my thoughts? So these kind of a thing. Because without wasting time, without thinking, you have to answer it. Because these are known facts to you. Okay. After that, the third one is along with your all basic information, you have the information about your brother and sister. If you have siblings, you should know about them, what he is doing, he or she is doing, her age, schooling, graduation, percentage, these kind of a thing you should know. What are their goals? If they are not towards the armed forces, that the reason why, these kind of questions he may ask you. In addition, you should also have the knowledge about her achievements because they will analyze your grooming, the environment which you uh, from right from the childhood you are groomed into it, so they want to know about the environment. So you should know each and everything about yourself. The next thing is you should have important information about your parents. Several times the interviewing officer asks you this question about the parents, their annual income, where they work, what is his or her profession. He may ask you questions. He may ask you about the annual income, because in my interview, at the time of my interview, he asked me about my father's pension. So I'm able to answer it because I know that. So these kind of things you must know that in order to answer it. If your father or mother are or were in armed forces, then you should definitely gather more information. There is a myth, a kind of a thing that the students or the candidates who have the defense background, they have the more chances to get selected, but it is not a kind of a thing, because at the same time, if you are from the defense background, they will expect you more from that. Definitely gather the information about first posting, year of joining the service, total year of service, parent unit or corps, his achievement during the service, and if he or she is retired, what he or she is doing. You should know each and everything. The next thing, you have to gather information about your native place, its population, what is it famous for, and also gather same about your present residence. It is very much important because when you enter into the interviewing hall and you have to face the interviewing officer, he suddenly asks you that, okay, gentlemen, tell me about your native place, its population, what it is famous for, gather the information about, sorry for that, what it is famous for, and etc etc. He may ask you several questions out of it, and if you do not know about that, you have to think, you have to keep blank for several minutes. That seems to be very odd. Okay, so after that, with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends who all are defense aspirants, subscribe to this channel for the further updates, and thank you so much. Jai Hind to all.